Just received my new package in the mail. I think I know what it is. Let's check it out. Oh shit, son. Here it is. The new iPhone 8. Figured just do a quick opening so everyone can see what's inside. Let's check it out. Can I cue some holy music while I open it? Oh, there she blows. This is one sexy looking phone. So this is what many people have been waiting for. It's got a good weight to it right out of the box, and it looks sleek. Glass back. That is one sexy looking device. From front to back. What else is in the box, you may ask? Well, you have your headphones. It's still the wired ones. It's not the wireless. They're not that generous yet, and they even bring you this little bit of an adapter from a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack to the lightning bolt, because if you remember, they removed all the headphone jacks from the iPhones because they wanted you to start purchasing more shit. And luckily, for $1,000, they're like, yeah, we'll throw it in. Can't wait to turn it on, but that's in another video. Right now, we're just unboxing this thing. I think the next step is put a pin here, pop it out, and then put the SIM card in. So give me a second and I'll be back. All right, I got my pin, got my phone. It's time to pop out the SIM.
It doesn't want to come out. Damn, this fucking thing is sniff for good. I usually get it, sticking things in the holes. The pin is bending.
Found this little doohickey in one of my tools. Bingo bango! Yeah, I guess you're gonna need something stronger than a pin. Hey Siri, I love you.